Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take2. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can return the old pop-up of Messenger pack. So it generally means how you can return the old, let's say, chat heads option on Messenger pack. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this process, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you need to do is you need to go to your Messenger app and then log in with your Messenger. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. From here, where you need to go is you need to go all the way to your top left corner to these three lines and go to settings, and from here go a bit down until you find the chat heads option. So it's turned off right now, just turn it on and then you'll be having the old pop-up of Messenger returned back. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.